Welcome to the Electoral Cartography database of the Institute for Economic and Social Studies, IESE for short. IESE has extensive data for the legislative and presidential elections in Mozambique from 1994 onwards. In this short video, you will see how to view, order and export this data. On the main page, you will find a list of available election results, shown by year and by election type. This page also has a chart representation of these elections. By default, the chart shows the percentage of votes won by each party in each election year in legislative elections. You can view presidential elections by changing the election type. It's also possible to drill down to provincial level. Data is shown as percentages of the total votes, but absolute values can also be shown. Finally, you can switch parties on or off to get a clearer chart. To see detailed data for an election, select it from the list of elections. On this page, detailed information for the legislative elections for 2009 is shown. The vote percentage for each party in each province is shown in the table, as well as national results, international results and requalified votes. You can drill down to district level by clicking on the arrow next to a province. At the same time, the percentages are also shown on a map of Mozambique. You can click the name of a province in the table to zoom the map to that province. The map now shows the province and its districts. You can also drill down further by double-clicking the map. The level up and down buttons also go from province level to district level and finally to administrative post level. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom the map. By default, the data table shows two parties as well as abstention percentages. You can click a party name to see its vote percentages on the map. Abstention levels can also be visualized. You can add other parties to the list by selecting them from the drop-down box. Finally, you can add other indicators to the table from the other drop-down box. These values can also be shown on the map. By default, the table shows percentages. You can also have it show absolute values. The data table can be exported. You can export an Excel file of the data that you see on the screen. Files with even more detail are also available. The map can also be exported in various formats. This concludes this brief introduction to the electoral cartography system. Thank you for watching.